Hello, everyone, and welcome to Dalhousie, a quiet and peaceful place in the mountains of Himachal Pradesh. And here's everything that you should experience when you're here. It's such a relief to see the sunlight. So, there are two beautiful churches nearby. So, we'll just go check out those two. I think one is St. Francis Church and one is St. John's Church. What a beautiful view. There's one lake over there. I'm not sure which one is it. I'll find out. And that side you can see the snow peaked mountains. I do want to walk up to there, but it's very slippery. I don't know how these people manage. ऑनलाइन हो जाएगा
Where is Ganji?
Okay, so yesterday the hostel dorm was full. So today morning, like usual, I woke up at around 5, 6, and so there was one girl who went to the washroom before me, uh, and after her I went, and it was stinking. But then I noticed like she had puked all over the place, and it's fine. I mean, there are bad days, and it's okay. So that's not the point. Then I went to the common washroom and I did my business, and then I was in the common area, and the housekeeping staff was there. I was going to tell them about this, and like the washrooms are dirty. Immediately that girl came there, And so I thought she would apologize or say something like, I was not well, and I vomited, and could you please clean the washroom or something like that. But then she comes and she's like, the washroom is very dirty. It's very dirty. Clean it. Please ask them to clean. I'm like, okay. Nobody else knew that she was the one who went except me. So, women, they just don't accept that they're wrong, don't they? Oh my god. There's so many birds over here. And I've seen a lot of new varieties of birds that I've never seen before. So that's why I love the Garam Sadak. It's very peaceful, quiet, and I love this place. Well, life in the mountain is definitely not easy. You never know when the roads will disappear. Like this one. This one is like the main area. That's a Dalhousie public school. And this side, the road has almost gone. It's half the size. The road is just this much. Nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. Absolutely right. Okay, so I actually thought Beeji's park is like a park or something, like a garden or so, but it's not a park. You have all these military-related vehicles on display, vehicles and equipment. So you can see there are tanks, there are jets, and there are boats, ships, or submarines, whatever they are. So yeah, it's a part of the Delhi public school. I feel. I mean, I'm not sure, but yeah. Um, it's a good clean place. You can come here. It's very peaceful. But yeah, don't expect a garden. Yeah, you do get a good view from here though. I mean, let's go to the other side. Just in case if you all wanted to see, so Beeji's park is this and this. That's all. You know, when I was a small kid and when I used to go walking from home to school, um, I used to look out for small stones or rocks or pebbles, and then I used to go on kicking them like till I reached my place. That kid would have never thought he'd be doing the same in Himachal, but with a block of snow. This is peak male happiness. I don't know what's the thing in this, but keeps us entertained a lot.
साथ ही बचा भाई।
हम हैं गंजी पहाड़ी पे गाइस, जहाँ का सिर गंजा है लेकिन हरियाली बहुत है। हरियाली बहुत है लेकिन वाइल्ड लाइफ बहुत है। उत्तरी ये देखो गाइस कितना अंदर चला गया पैर।
अब व्यू चेक कर। ओ एक पेड़ वेख।
ये हम हैं मड हाउसेस जगह है,
मड हाउस
गंजी पहाड़ी पे इधर बने हुए हैं खूब सारे मड हाउसेस।
किवें आ सिंह वाई खालसा वाई फतेह
वाई खालसा वाई फतेह।
Let's go, guys.
कदम मिलते हैं। क्या है? कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। साला तो फौजी है, आर्मी में लगा हुआ है। अब चलते हैं तो दुश्मन की। भाई ऐसे कैसे चल रहा है? कह रहा हम चलते हैं। Oh my God.
और ये हमारी ग्रैंड पिटी।
Oh.
व्यू
ना डरते ने लोग इस करके थोड़े
So we were there. Now we'll be going up there. The snow is quite fresh. See, oh, have to be careful now. Well, definitely the views are worth it because here you can see those stepped fields and covered in snow. You have a lake. I think that is Chamera Lake. I'm not sure, but you have the sun setting. Beautiful backdrop. And here you have the pine cone trees, and right over there you have those snow-peaked mountains. It's beautiful.
Bye. Miss you, भैया.
Bye, boys. Yep, like every day. Today's my last day. You know these two, this one and this one. Every time I come here, they come and jump on me. Not a single day they have missed. That one and that one.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I guess the monkeys don't like them being recorded. So, yeah, one almost tried to take the action camera from me. So, be careful.